want to remove the gooey labels from the glass or plastic bottles like this. Watch the video fully to find out how. Reuse only the glass bottles and try to avoid plastic ones. As you can see, this is very hard to remove by peeling. Fill water in a big bowl or your kitchen sink to soak the bottles. Add some baking soda, but it is optional and you can skip this step. Add few drops of dishwashing liquid. Remove the lids of the bottles so they don't float. Soak the bottles for 15 to 20 minutes or more if needed. After some time, use the blunt side of the knife or a butter knife to scrape the stickers off of the bottle. Some bottles give away the stickers easily like this, but not all the stickers come off easily. Now, if you see this bottle, I can't remove the label easily. We need some tool to peel this off. So I use the blunt side of the knife or a butter knife to peel, but also to avoid scratches. Be careful with the knife. Remove the label as much as possible using this method and then move on to the next step. After the previous step, we may end up with something like this. The secret ingredient is oil. Use any type of oil you use in the kitchen for this. Use any scrubber and dip it in the oil. Now scrub with the scrubber, using oil on all the sticky areas like this. After scrubbing all sides with oil, the bottles will look something like this. Wash them with dishwashing soap or liquid and let it dry. That's all. The clear bottles without any labels is ready. You can do the same with plastic bottles too, but avoid using plastic as much as possible. I reuse them to store snacks and kitchen stuffs. I also use it to grow plants like this. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and drop a like or a comment. Also, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye and take care.